Everyone, I'm Jamie Purviance. Welcome to the Way to Grill Portobello mushrooms. I've already done one important step, and that is to clean the mushrooms. Portobellos, like this one here, come with some gills on the underside, and sometimes those gills can capture a little bit of dirt and other stuff, so by cleaning them out, you're assured of a really nice, clean mushroom. The other really important thing I've done is to marinate these. I put some red wine vinegar and olive oil, some shallots, some garlic, some salt and pepper, so they're going to taste really, really good. Now the way to grill them is to cook them over direct medium heat. And I like to start them actually with the gill side facing down. And the reason for that is I'm going to cook them about 5 minutes on each side, and I want the last 5 minutes of cooking to be a situation where the gill side is facing up. There's almost a natural bowl to the portobello mushroom, a bowl shape, and as the juices collect, they're going to hold in that space and keep the mushroom really juicy. So that's why I start it with the gill side facing down. Again, about 5 minutes, direct medium heat until they're nicely browned. It's a great idea to baste mushrooms periodically while they're cooking. After about 5 minutes, they really do start to lose some of their juices. I can turn them over and finish them in this position. There's some juices that are already collecting there, and I want to trap those in that little bowl and let the mushroom kind of baste itself all the way through to the finish. I'll help it along with a little extra flavor here. These are done. How do I know? Well, I can tell that they've shrunk a little bit, they've flattened a little bit. Another way to check is just with the tip of a knife to go through the stem, and it should just slide in and out really, really easily. You can just cut right through there. See all that juiciness that I've trapped on top of that mushroom? I mean, this is as juicy as any steak. I'm making a sandwich here. This is a arugula grilled mushroom sandwich with a balsamic aioli. Aioli is a garlicky mayonnaise, and I've added some balsamic vinegar. That's the way to grill a portobello mushroom.